Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's session, I'm going to share you the complete roadmap to become an Android developer. So this is one of the very important session who want to start their career to become an Android developer. Then what are the skills required to become an Android developer? Let us see in this video. Android is one of the most demanding technology nowadays because in the world millions of people are using Android based mobiles. Okay, and also it is one of the most demanding technology in IT nowadays. So that is the reason want to start their career in Android development, then these are the skills is required to become master in Android developer. Okay, first you have to pick the one programming language, either Java or Kotlin. So people are confused of which tool is the best to develop Android development. So my suggestion is both are the best programming language to develop Android native apps. But I can say in single statement which one you have to choose. Okay, suppose if you want to continue your career as an Android developer in entire career, then you can choose Kotlin programming language. Whereas if you want to switch any other technology after gaining professional experience, if you want to become a Java developer in future, or if you want to become DevOps engineer or any other positions, then you have to choose Java programming language. Because once you learn Java programming language, it is a adaptable programming language. You can switch in any other technology as well. That is the reason it is up to you by choosing the programming language to develop Android apps. Okay, so here I'm considering a Java language. So once you choose the Java programming language, then what are the main topics you have to prepare to develop Android apps? So first you must be strong in fundamentals of Java. Then you have to learn OOPS concepts, collections concept, exception handling, and input and output streams, and then Java multithreading. These are the regularly used topics to develop the Android apps. Okay, so after comfortable with the Java programming language, then you can move to Android tutorial. In the Android tutorial, there are some important concepts are there regularly used to develop Android apps. First, you have to install Android Studio. You must know the overview of the Android Studio. Then you have to learn the Android concepts like activity and activity lifecycle. Okay, and also we have to concentrate on like user interface concepts like static user interface and dynamic user interface. Static user interface means like buttons, image view, text view, okay, edit text, etc. Dynamic interface concepts means like views, okay, recycler views. Okay, after that you have to learn fragments. So why we are using fragments means to build a flexible interfaces, then we have to choose fragments. Okay, after that you have to learn some debugging skills as well by using Android Studio debugging, like systrace, logging and error handling, okay, and also memory profiling. So after comfortable Android tutorial, then you have to learn some database concepts like most Android developers are using database is SQLite. Okay, so once you gain experience on SQLite, you have to keep on learning. You have to improve your skills. Another database as well. It is a NoSQL database like MongoDB. So once comfortable with the database concepts, then you have to learn version control system tools, either GitHub or GitLab or Bitbucket. Version control system is very important for any developer. So that is the reason you should know the GitHub, either GitHub or GitLab or Bitbucket. It depends on the organization and the project. You have to choose the version control. After familiar with version control system, you must know testing concept as well, like JUnit. Most recommended tool is JUnit. Okay, so these are the main topics to become an Android developer. So there are additional skills also there you have to learn, like third-party libraries. If you are comfortable with these technologies, then you can get job. There is no doubt. So once you get into the IT company, you have to keep on learning. Okay, so there are other third-party tools also there. For networking purpose, there is a fastest Android networking library is there. Okay, for multi-threading, there is RX Java is there. So those are the third-party libraries. Okay, and one more thing you have to learn, like for to create build, you have to use Maven or Gradle. Okay, so these are the main focus skills to become an Android developer. So if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I will reply to your queries. So okay, so if you really like this video, please hit the like button and also share to your friends, and thank you for watching.